Professor Pallas here. This short video will give you further details and instructions on the group project that is due at the end of the semester for NTD 420. The group project is worth 37 points. The group project is the creation of a prevention and treatment of obesity program. For this project, you will submit a series of videos that will be between 10 and 15 minutes total in length. You'll submit videos because the equipment that you use to record your video may limit you to 5 minutes per video, in which case you would submit videos in part 1, part 2, and possibly even part 3. You will also submit a complete PowerPoint slide deck that includes your notes and includes all of the references that you used when completing this project. As always, your references should be in APA style. The video presentation will be a substantial part of this project. I would recommend that you as a group start a conversation now, whether you start an email thread, a group discussion, meet in a Google chat room somewhere. It's important to start to consider what software you would like to use to record your presentation, especially if you are geographically dispersed and you will be doing this work individually and rolling it up into one cohesive video. You can do that using a program called Knovio. I will publish links to each of these presentation recording programs in an updated file on D2L. If you use Knovio, the easiest thing to do is to create the PowerPoint deck of slides, load it up into Knovio, and then each person will log into the Knovio account where you loaded the slide deck up into, and each person will video record the slides that they are responsible for. You'll have to share the Knovio account information to do this. That's the only catch, but it is very easy to do. I have worked on many group projects over the years using Knovio in exactly this fashion. Another option for you is to use Zoom. You could schedule a Zoom meeting for your group with everyone present and record that meeting. Another option is to use Keynote. Another option is to use PowerPoint. If there is a different video presentation software that your group would like to use, please clear it with me first. The video presentation must show each person in the group speaking at some point, and it must also show the PowerPoint slides. Each group must submit one group project on D2L by May 5th at 11:59 p.m. One person will submit everything for the group. This will include the PowerPoint deck of slides and the video presentation, which may be submitted in 2 or 3 parts unless you're able to use software that allows you to record a video of 10 to 15 minutes in length. Although this project is not due until the end of May, I would encourage you to get started working on the project now with your group. It can get busy at the end of the semester, especially for those of you who are seniors. So investing some time now to get this project started is a great idea. I would strongly recommend that you start a conversation with your group members. Please identify your target population and inform me what population you will focus on prior to or on April 1st. I would then begin to plan your program. I would print out a copy of the guidelines for the project, okay? There's going to be 10 different items that must be included at a minimum in this project. You need to submit at least 2 PowerPoint slides for each of the 10 items. So you must submit at least 20 PowerPoint slides, and your presentation should be between 10 and 15 minutes long. To clarify one more time, for this group project, you will be handing in team videos that will be 10 to 15 minutes in length. Most likely, you will submit these as 2 or 3 5-minute videos, part 1, part 2, part 3. Every team member must be visible and speaking at some point in the video. Your PowerPoint slides must also be visible simultaneously at the same time as the person is speaking in the videos. In addition to submitting the team videos, you will also submit the supporting PowerPoint slide deck that includes notes. Everything will need to be done using references in APA style, and you should include a slide or slides at the very end of your presentation that list your references in APA style. If you have any questions, please reach out to me as soon as possible so that I can answer them. And the very first thing that you should do is turn in to me by April 1st the population that you are targeting for your prevention and treatment program. Thank you, and have a lot of fun with this.